Hey guys, Silvah's Techland back here with another tech tutorial, and since you've already seen the title, you know that this is how to install a Minecraft server vanilla for 1.16 or pretty much any version, because this is pretty simple and Mojang has made it pretty easy how to do this. So there are a couple things you need to know before this video starts. Number one, like I said, this is going to be a vanilla server. So this is not going to be how to install for Forge or Cauldron or Bookit or Sponge or any other kind of programs like that. And also number two, in this video, I won't be showing you how to port forward your IP. This is also a crucial step you need to do because port forwarding allows people outside of your house to actually see the server and join. So I recommend going ahead and looking up a video after you've seen this tutorial on how to do that, because you need to do that, and it's also pretty standard. It hasn't really changed much over the years, so you can look at a video from 2015 and it'll probably still be the same pretty much as today. So anyways, let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. This is going to show you how we're going to go ahead and install the server files, or at least get them. You can go online if you don't have Minecraft installed on the current computer you have to download the server files, but I recommend going ahead and using the Minecraft launcher because it is much easier on how to do so. And so how you actually do this is you go up to your installations, choose a version that you want. I'm going to use the latest version, 1.16.5 as an example. Click edit. And so what you then want to do is you see this button up here that says server with a down arrow. What you want to do is go ahead and click it, and it will go ahead and open up a web page that will download the server file. Once you've done this, you've done step one, and now on to the next step, which basically includes that you want to go ahead and create a folder on your desktop or pretty much anywhere where you want to actually have the full server be run. I'm gonna just create it on my desktop and call it test server. You can literally call this anything, it does not matter. Once you have done that, go ahead and open up the folder, and if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and drag this into your test server. If you already closed this page, you can go ahead and open up the downloads folder. It'll be right up in there, and you can go ahead and drag it into the test server. Now, you can leave this as the one as I do, or you can call it pretty much anything. All you want to do now is just basically, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of the one to make it look nicer. So all you want to do right now is double left click it twice, and that will begin for the process of it generating some files. As you can see, the process has stopped with only bare minimum files. It has not created all the files. So to get it to create the rest of the files, what you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is open up this eula.txt file. And also, I recommend getting Notepad++ for opening these text files. It makes life so much easier for looking at all this stuff. And change where it says eula.equals false to .equals true. And then go ahead and save the file by hitting Control S or going up here and doing save. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and close it and then rerun the server.jar again. This time it should work because you've accepted the EULA, which means it can go ahead and generate the files. And as you can see, it has, and it has opened this. I'm just going to go ahead and click OK for private networks. You can click allow access. If you want to do it on public networks, you can do it too if you're making a big public server. But as you can see, it is beginning to run the Minecraft server. Now, I will do probably another video on a custom command script that I use for Windows for running this, because nobody likes this GUI. Everybody likes it in the batch file. And also, I have a special one out there that also allows it to, if it crashes, automatically restart. courtesy of some person on the internet who I wish I remember their name because they are an absolute hero right now. But as you can see, it is done, and you have this box down here where you can type anything and it'll work. But if you want to go ahead and stop the server, just type stop. It will save the chunks and stop the server. And also, in another video, I will also talk about the options in the server.properties file. But for now, this is just a general video of how to get you started. And so that is how you install a Minecraft vanilla server for 1.16 or pretty much any version out there, as long as it isn't like beta or alpha or some ridiculously old version. So remember, if you want to see more tech tutorials, go ahead and like this video so that you can spread this knowledge with other people that might need this help, and subscribe to the channel so that more people, again, can find this and make their lives easier. I'm doing this to help you guys, and also, if you want to, leave a comment down below if you have any troubles or whatnot. I will do my best to answer them, but unfortunately I can be a bit inactive, so if your question goes unanswered, I'm sorry, it's not you, it's me. So don't think you've done anything bad. But anyways, I will see all of you in a next tech tutorial I do. Have a great rest of your day.